Hello and welcome to this Vocabulary Worksheet Factory 5 video. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to add a title group to your document and how to customize one element of that title group. So to begin, I have a new document opened in the program, and there's no activity selected yet and no other design elements. I do have a customized footer at the bottom, but that's all that's on here. And I've decided that I would like to use a title group at the top of my page to sort of be an introduction to this particular vocabulary worksheet or vocabulary document. So I'm going to go up to Design Elements on the ribbon and click on the down arrow. And all of the design elements are displayed here, and the one I'm going to select is Title Group. So the default title group appears, and you can see that it's made up of a variety of elements. There's a picture, there is a title, there's an epigraph. You can add instructions to it. Those aren't showing right now, but you can add an instruction area, put your own instructions in. There are different fields with some text that we've already defaulted. So there are a variety of different things here that you can customize to suit your needs. But today, the only thing I'm going to show you how to customize is picture. So I'm going to go into the title group options here and click on the plus sign to display all of the options for picture. And by default, you'll see that it's visible, so I want to have a picture in mind. I've decided, though, that I think I'd like to have it on the left-hand side, so the alignment's going to left. So you can see it changes right away. The size adjustment looks good, 160. I think I'll go with that for now, though I can adjust this later on once I select my picture. And I'm going to select a new picture, so I'm going to click on picture and then click on the ellipsis sign here to open the picture editor. Now I'm just going to double check that in the options here that the image size is set to around 150. You could set this to around 200. That makes a nice size picture for most of most things that you're going to be doing at the title group. So 200, maybe I'll put it back down to 150 or 160. Yeah, 165 is fine. Otherwise, your picture is going to be too big for the title group. And this way, what happens is when I select an image, it will import at that size, and it means I'll have to do less adjusting afterwards. So that's just in options. And I'm just going to go with one of the images that we've included with the program. Oh, this butterfly looks pretty cute. And I select it and I click OK. So I now have my title group. I've customized my picture, as you can see, and I'm happy with it now. And I could now then start adding some activities. I could, for example, add jumbles or anything that I'd like to add. But one of the things I wanted to just display quickly is that when I close this particular document now, all of the changes that I have made to the title group are going to be remembered. So as soon as I close this document, these changes that I have made will be saved as my new default. So I'm just going to click here and close the document. And I don't want to save it right now. And just to demonstrate this again, I'm going to click on New, go back up to Design Elements, select Title Group, and there we go. There's my customized title group. So when I close the document after I made the changes, it automatically saved the changes, assuming that that's what I would like to use as my default in the future. So that's just a quick introduction to how to add a title group to your page. And I hope this has given you some ideas for working with your vocabulary worksheets.